It is given that neglecting the density of air, terminal velocity obtained by a raindrop of radius 0.3 millimeter falling through air of viscosity 1.8 into 10 to minus 5 Newton second meter raised to minus 2 will be. So we know that its terminal velocity, the equation is 2 divided by 9 into r square into g into density of object minus density of liquid divided by the value of coefficient of viscosity eta. So we can write 2 by 9 into r is given as nothing but 0.3 millimeter. So it is 0.3 square, which is 0.09 into 1 millimeter is 10 raised to minus 3 meters, square of that 10 raised to minus 6 into the value of acceleration due to gravity, which we can take it as 9.8 into density of object, which is 10 raised to like density of water, which is 10 raised to 3, minus density of liquid, which we are neglecting, density of air, that is 0, divided by the value of coefficient of viscosity, that is 1.8 into 10 raised to minus 5. So we can cancel this 9 and this part over here. This is going to be 10 raised to minus 2, and this we can take it as 0.9. So this is around 9.8 divided by 0.9, which is equal to around 10.88.